Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chriselle Siobhan, and today we are here to do some lip swatches of my products, my beauty line, Cminor Beauty Fierce Liquid Lipstick. We have 4 new shades for our spring and summer 2021 collection. Okay, 4 new lipstick shades. The lip gloss is coming too. But today we're going to try on these 4 for you all so you can see them. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Y'all should already know, cminorbeauty.com. Go get you some for the summer. This lip I have on right now is Unforgiving. So I'm gonna do some lip swatches for y'all, let y'all see them. Y'all support me and my small business, but it's on. Look at this packaging, okay? I spent time on this. Sis put in work. Y'all better check me out, cminorbeauty.com. Okay, so let's get into these colors. So we're going to start with Miss Unstoppable, and she's a peachy nude. So what you can do is pair her with our number 8 or number 11 lip liner. Those are both like nudish. One's darker than the other, depending on your skin tone. But Miss Unstoppable can also just be done by herself. But what I do with nude lipsticks, I typically don't line my lip with it like I do all my other liquid lipsticks. I just put it in the middle. And then I kind of just like blot it like that. So I still have my dark natural line and it's not looking pasty and chalky. So this is Miss Unstoppable, and she's just a warmer, peachier nude than our Unabashed. Unabashed is more like a tan nude, and it's gonna be strictly neutral, where this gives you a little bit of orange peach effect to it. Nude for the summer. And I called this one Unstoppable because I'm like, don't stop wearing the nudes. People think because you brown, you can't wear nudes, and that's just for the vanilla girls. But vanilla girls, we got nudes too, okay? Don't stop, can't stop. I ain't about to do the city girls for y'all. So next we have Unbreakable. So this is like a bright coral. I called it Unbreakable because coral is unbreakable. So again, you can pair her with our number 6 lip liner, or you can go deeper with the number 3, and that's the Eggplant. I'm going to use Eggplant and just take it a little bit deeper, just so we aren't looking chalky. Like, people always like, oh, I don't wear that color because it's going to look pasty or it's going to look chalky. Put a lip liner on. Okay, that's all you got to do. Line your lips, people. Create some dimensions. Okay. And again, pigment popping. So, this is her. And these are all one swatch. Like, I'm not about to be, and I literally have only put it on my bottom lip. So if I really wanted to be super popping, then I could go in again with another layer. But see how I created just like a little slight ombre, and it's not as popping as it would be without the liner. So I'm gonna go in again. So see the difference. It's brighter, but my lip liner is still there, so I'm not looking pasty and cakey. Okay. Next we have Untamed, and this is just wild and crazy. That's why I named it Untamed, because it's a popping orange, like vibrant. It's everything. One of my favorite colors. Okay. This Untamed, you can go in with our number 3 pencil or our number 11 pencil. Is number 3 is the Eggplant and the 11 is the darker nude. So if you want to go for like a brown finish and orange, you can do number 11. This is dark nude. Or you can do Number 3, Eggplant. I typically use this Eggplant for everything, but I'm gonna go in with the heat. I'm gonna go in with this brown that wants to do what it wants to do. Brown will hate on me. Okay. So as you can see, it just accented my already natural brown lip line. Okay. And we're gonna go in with this Untamed and get it popping. Look at that pigment, good Lord. Y'all know how much I've been mixing and whipping and... Okay, boom, that's her, just one swipe. I'm gonna go back in because like I told y'all, this is one of my favorites and y'all need to see how popping it is. Now this is me doing my fast lipstick application, but everybody that knows me know I'm a perfectionist with my liquid lipstick. Like that thing gonna be lined correctly, okay? Boom. But this is Untamed. You ready for the summer? Where you about to go? You going swimming? It'll say on while you swimming. Boom. Untamed. Loud and crazy. All of my products are named, well, they're adjectives pretty much that I want people of color to feel and know that they are, like unabashed. What does that mean? Don't be embarrassed. Like, put this new lipstick on, sis, because you won't look good. Untamed. Let it loose. Be you. Do what you do. Don't let nobody hold you back. Okay. And we have Unforgiving. I want you to be unforgivingly black. Okay? Unforgivingly Hispanic, unforgivingly Asian. Be you. Don't be forgiving people for you being you and the color you are and the nationality you are. Don't forget nobody for being a woman. Don't forget nobody for being gay. Do what you want to do, okay? Unforgiving. Don't forget these things. But anywho, I know y'all ain't think I was about to be going no lip scrub and lip balm 4 times. Okay, we're going to go in with Unforgiving. You can do it with our numbers. What is this? 6. Yeah, number 6 is like a rose, but I just gonna accent your natural lip line. I'ma use number 3, the Eggplant, my favorite one, and just line my lip real quick. Boom. And then I'm going to go in with Miss Poppington, because she's popping too. She is like a bright fuchsia. Bright fuchsia pink. Again, we got us a little dimensional ombre look. So that's one layer. And we can go back in. Somebody give me a margarita. Okay? I need to be on the beach with this. Give me a margarita. Sis, I need a margarita. I need a music loud. I'm ready for the sunshine. I need some shades. Okay? I'm ready for the summer. Spring, summer, all that. Boom. Unforgiving. Bright fuchsia. We ready to go? Y'all ready to go? Okay, so that concludes today's lip swatches of the Cminor Beauty Fierce Liquid Lipstick Spring and Summer 2021 lip collection. Go cop you one of the 4 or all 4. I think you need all 4 in your life with some lip liners. Go get them. You got you Unstoppable, Unbreakable, Untamed, and Unforgiving. Get you some. Be ready for the summer, okay? This one margarita. My sunnies, we about to kill it out here, okay? Cminorbeauty.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share. Do all that, okay? Do it all now. Do it. Okay. See you guys later. Toodaloo. Get these kisses. Fearless.